Hello, welcome to another cool math video. My name is Ali. Today we are going to talk about sequences with half index terms. Now, Harry Potter fans might remember. Oh, wait, you are right. There's nobody in the speech, so I don't need to mask up. So, Harry Potter fans might remember there's a platform 9 3/4 at King's Cross Station, right? So, if we can have a platform not just 9 or 10, but something in the middle, why can't we have a term of a sequence? It's like 0.5th term or 9.5th term of a sequence. And why not use it to solve some math problems? So let me share you. Here's a problem from a past AMC 10. Here we have a sequence, arithmetic sequence. The first 100 terms add up to 100. The next 100 terms add up to 200. And we're going to find the common difference in this arithmetic sequence. All right, there are a couple of different ways to solve this. One, you can set up the first term and the common difference as two unknowns and write two equations from these given equations and solve those equations. Pretty long. Second one, you can subtract these column-wise, A101 minus A1, A102 minus A2, etc. And each difference will be 100 times the common difference. So you can add those. That's pretty cool. But I'll show you a much cooler way here. We are going to use half index terms in a sequence. So let's see. So in an arithmetic sequence, the average of the terms is the middle term, right? Because the terms are symmetric. They are increasing or decreasing by the same amount. So the average of 5 terms in an arithmetic sequence of 5 terms is the third term. If you have 9 terms, it's the fifth term, right? But if you have an even number of terms, we don't have a middle term, right? Here, it's not the first 100 terms. It's not a 50 or a 51. So we are going to define the middle term as a 50.5. Isn't that cool? So the average of the first 100 terms is going to be of first 100 is a 50.5. What do we mean by that? In an arithmetic sequence, we can define a 50.5 as the average of a 50 and a 51. It's the mean of them, or you can think of it as the median of them. They are the same in an arithmetic sequence. So the sum of the first 100 terms is 100, so their average is 100 divided by 100, which is 1. And similarly, the average of the next 100 terms, average of the second 100 terms, A101 dot 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 A200 is going to be a 150.5. And that's the sum is 200. There are 100 terms, so the average is 2. Now, if you subtract these two, in an arithmetic sequence, to go from A1 to A2, you jump by the common difference. To go from A1 to A3, you jump by the common difference twice. So it's 2 delta. Let's see, delta is the common difference here. Let's call this difference delta. Now, to jump from a 50.5 to a 150.5, how many deltas do we need? Yes, you guessed it right. We are jumping 100 terms between those two. So the difference here is going to be 100 times delta. It's the second line minus the first line. 2 minus 1, which is 1. So we find that delta is 0.01. I hope that you found that cool. For more cool videos like this, please subscribe. Thank you. That was good. That was good.